everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another Disney mystery box unboxing video. This is the second time I'm filming this. Went to edit it and found the audio didn't record. So yay! So I'm not gonna lie, I now know what's in this box. Spoiler alert, it's pretty decent. But I'm going to film it for a second time for you. I'm going to film it and show you what I got in this Disney mystery box from a company called Half Moon Bay. They sell licensed Disney, Harry Potter, TV, film kind of merch. I had a look on their website and they've got tons of stuff, some really good stuff. And I actually did, after I filmed the video before, this unboxing video, I actually worked out the value of this mystery box, and it is well over 50 quid. This box here cost me £25. So obviously I can't show you how it was packaged because unfortunately I already unboxed it. But it was very well packaged. Everything that was breakable was wrapped up in cardboard, which I really did like. Nothing got damaged in the post. I think one item that you'll see in here is damaged, and I have emailed them about it, so hopefully they will get back to me about that. But anyway, we're gonna crack on with unboxing this Half Moon Bay Disney mystery box. So inside we have a lot of goodies. First up is this pencil case, which says it's a Mary Poppins themed pencil case, and it says, "In every job that must be done, there is an element of fun. Find the fun and snap." That didn't click. Snap! The job's a game. So that is a Mary Poppins pencil case. It's got a little bow detail on there. And it's a very small pencil case, but inside it has a red and white striped packaging. On the bottom, what looks a bit like a ruler. I don't know if that's what it's meant to be, but that is pretty decent. I mean, it's something that I'll use. Always got pens and stuff lying around, and it'd be quite handy to keep them in a pencil case. So that is one thing I'm going to be using. So let's get down there. Next up, we have a couple of things from The Lion King. First up is this. It is a Lion King coin purse, and it says, "Remember who you are." And on the back, it says, "The Lion King." I doubt I'm going to use it, to be completely honest. It seems really well made, though. Not real leather, but I wouldn't have expected it to be. Yeah, I might use it around the house, keep some bits in. Continuing with the Lion King theme, did get another item which I'm definitely going to be using, and that is this coaster that says, "You've got to put your behind in the past." One of my favourite quotes from The Lion King. So that, it's got Timon and Pumbaa on there. It's just a normal cork coaster, so I'll definitely be using that one. Next up, God, there is loads in here, crikey. Very fitting considering the day I filmed the original version of this, just a couple of days before today. The new Disney live action Mulan came out on Disney Plus Premium Access, or whatever they call it. The one we have to pay extra for, the one that I will not pay for. And that is this Mulan Travel Mug. And it's got one of those rubber tops, just a plain travel mug inside. Yeah, I don't know what it looks like underneath. I think it's something I actually didn't do in the old one. So it's just got Mulan there, some flowers, and the quote, which is "Let your dreams blossom," on there. So we'll put the heat band back on it, if I don't drop it. Probably find use for that. I mean, keep my drinks warm. Pop that over there. Next up we have this, which is a Disney tea towel. And this one is Mickey Mouse themed. So hopefully you're able to see that and I'm not. Yep, there we go. So it is Mickey and Minnie Mouse tea towel. So that will definitely come in handy. It's a plain white tea towel, pretty decent material by the feels of it. Doesn't feel too thin, which I like. So that is the Disney Mickey Mouse tea towel. Next up we have the item that I mentioned that was slightly damaged, and that is this, which is a Winnie the Pooh notebook, a lined notebook. There's two bits of damage to this. Firstly, you can probably see at the top there, the spine is dented, and then inside, that's the inside of the front page, which I really like the design of. But inside here, that's where it's really damaged. I mean, here it's come away from the spine. But I have contacted them about that. I did tweet them on Friday evening, but probably wasn't working over the weekend, so wouldn't have seen it. But I did send them an email as well through their website, just to kind of say, look guys, got this in the mystery box, it's damaged, anything you can do. Yeah, hopefully they'll be able to sort that out, and if they have before this video goes live, I'll pop something here, some text here, just to let you know what they've done, and if they rectified the issue. But yeah, really do like that notebook. If it wasn't damaged, I would definitely be using it. It's got Pooh and Piglet on the front. I had to look at that thing because it's backwards in my screen. And then inside there is lined pages. Down the bottom there is the same picture of Piglet and Pooh. Hopefully that is in focus. Ooh. Yeah, it's in focus. And then the bottom here, it says, today is my new favourite day. So I really like that. Soft back cover, but seems to be really well made. It's a kind of fabric-y cardboard. I don't really know what it is, to be honest, but it seems really well made. Just unfortunately, it's broken. But hopefully Half Moon Bay will sort that one for me. We've got 2 items of homeware and 1 item of deskwear, I guess. Next up we have this mug, which is here. It says 99% sure I'm a Disney princess. And on the other side of the mug it says I speak fluent Disney, which is true. I do that, but I'm not a Disney princess. Obviously, probably not something that I'm going to use. This is from the Disney Princess collection. But I'll show you what it looks like. So here's the mug that says 99% sure I'm a Disney princess. And on the back, I speak fluent Disney. And what I do like, I mean, I don't know if you'd really use this in when you're using the mug, but it has either a plate or a topper. So it sits on top there, or as I found out afterwards, you can put it on there as a saucer. I mean, it's a bit of a fad. I don't think anyone would really go, oh, I'm going to have a cup of tea, let me put my crown on my mug. I don't know, some people might, I guess. But yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. Let's wrap that back up nice and safely. As I said, probably won't use that mug, but I'm sure I could find somebody who would like that one. A true Disney princess. But yeah, pop that back nice and safely in its box. So that's that one. 2 more items. The last, the penultimate one is this, which is an Aladdin themed lunchbox, which I now know is made of bamboo. So that's pretty cool. On the front of it here, it says Cave of Wonders. That's the Cave of Wonders lion on the front. And then inside is just a plain purple box. Looking at their website, they do actually do a lot of these bamboo boxes. All different films. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, I think I'll be using this. Probably not necessarily use it as a lunchbox, but I'll definitely be using it for something. Or pop the band back around it so we don't lose it, or drop it, or break it, or anything. And finally, last but not least, we have this Disney Villains Desk Planner. So it's Mischievous Monday, Terrible Tuesday, Wicked Wednesday, Torturous Thursday, Fierce Friday, Sinister Saturday, and Sinful Sunday. But yeah, that is a Disney Villains themed desk planner. So yeah, that is everything in this Half Moon Bay Disney mystery box. Overall, very, very impressed with it. I paid 25 quid for this. Well over 50 quid's worth of stuff here, and it's actually things I use. See, if you haven't seen any of the other Disney or Harry Potter mystery box unboxings that I've done in the past, I will leave links to those in the description, or it'll be the end of the video as well. I think this is probably the best one out of all of them. It's, I believe, the cheapest out of all of them, and I got the most stuff I'm going to use out of it, which is really good. Obviously, it is always hit or miss with a mystery box as to what you're going to get, but all the stuff that seems to be on Half Moon Bay's website looks pretty good, and I'd be happy with a lot of it in any of the mystery boxes. At some point I will get another one of these and see how they differ, probably give it another month or two, and see what they offer in another mystery box, whether there's a similar kind of items, just with different themes maybe. But yeah, I also noticed that they do a Harry Potter mystery box, which is currently out of stock, but as soon as that does come back into stock, should I say, I will order that and see how that compares to the Geek Gear Harry Potter mystery box that I did a few weeks ago. I know the Disney mystery box has been going incredibly quickly lately, but you can sign up for email alerts. So if it is out of stock when you head over there, which it was when I went to buy it, sign up for an email alert, and the following day I got an email saying it was back in stock, which is pretty cool. Yeah. I will quickly recap everything I got on a little whistle-stop tour for you. Everything I got in this Half Moon Bay Disney mystery box. And then we'll wrap up the video. That will be it until next week. So let me grab these items and we will go through all the items I got in this Half Moon Bay Disney mystery box. So in no particular order, we have the 99% Sure I'm a Disney Princess and I Speak Fluent Disney mug. We've got the Aladdin Cave of Wonders Bamboo Lunchbox. We have the Mulan Travel Mug, which I reckon that's probably made of bamboo as well. I don't know, but it looks like it is. We have the Villains Desk Planner. We have the Mary Poppins In Every Job There Must Be Done. There is an element of fun pencil case. We have the Lion King coin purse, the Remember Who You Are coin purse. We have the slightly damaged Winnie the Pooh notebook. We have the Gotta Put You Behind in the Past coaster. And last but not least, we have the Mickey and Minnie tea towel. So yeah, that is it for the Half Moon Bay Disney Mystery Box unboxing. Hope you have enjoyed this. If you have, let me know and I will see if I can do some more Disney Mystery Box, Universal, Disney, Harry Potter unboxings some point in the future. There will be some Disney World and Universal Studios content coming very soon as we're approaching a year since I was actually last out there. But for now, thank you very much for watching. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you're not already following me on my social media, my Twitter is @NathanStaker1, my Instagram is @NathanStaker, and Facebook is NathanStaker1997. If you do want to email me, it is nathan.staker@gmail.com. But that will do it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I shall see you real soon. Bye, guys.